Just got this touchless garbage can. It's 13 gallons. This is what it looks like in the box. Let's open it up and take a look at it. It's got the odor filter and the instructions. The lid has a place here where you could plug it in, but you can also put in 4 C batteries. That's what we're going to do. Use these Ever-Readies. There we go. Now it also has a place for the odor filter to attach underneath the unit. Now let's put the battery cover back on so we don't lose the batteries. And then we've got the odor filter goes in on this side and attaches on the inside of the liner, but on the outside of the garbage bag. That's pretty cool. There's the top of it. iTouchless, nice polished stainless looking. And we've got the switch over here. And when we turn it on, I should probably put some better batteries in here. Try some Panasonics this time. And I don't think it was the batteries. It turns out there's a lock right here where you can lock it closed. Maybe if you have critters or something that you don't want them to be activating it. I imagine some cats are going to figure this out. But once you turn it on, it's going to go ahead and close after a moment. And now when you want it to open again, you just wave your hand over it. You don't have to touch it. And it'll close again. You can push the button to have it close. You can push the button to have it open. But all you have to do is wave your hand over it to have it open. So you put the top on. Like that. Now when it's time to put a liner in there, there is a strip here. So we'll go ahead and let this close. And then we'll turn it off so it quits opening on me. And then we'll put the garbage bag in. And then the liner keeps the top of the garbage bag nice and clean. You wrap the garbage bag around the liner and back into the can. So that way nothing is exposed on the outside of the can. And when you put the lid back on, everything looks nice and tidy. We'll turn it back on. We'll close it. Now everything looks nice and tidy. And when you open it, you're immediately going into the trash bag. Hope this helps. There we go. Nice looking garbage can. Makes a great gift idea too.